Good evening, sir. My name is Justin Evan Diaz. Assessment 1. Why is the form handling and validation important in web development, particularly in terms of data, integrity, and security? Form handling and validation are crucial in web development because they ensure that not only correct, safe, and expected data and process, protecting the application from invalid input security threats like SQL injection or XSS, and maintaining overall data integrity. What are some key Laravel features that help prevent security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection and across-site requests? Furthermore, when handling from data, Laravel prevents security vulnerabilities by using prepared statement to avoid SQL injection and CSRF tokens to protect against cross that request. Furthermore, in form handling, explain how you would create a basic form in Laravel using a template and handle its submission in a controller. Include an example of how you will define validation user. Ito, sir. Okay. How can customizing validation error message improve the user experience in a web application? Provide an example of how you will customize and display validation error message in Blade template. Customized validation error messages. Custom messages make form feel friendlier and clearer to user. Example. 5. What are the benefits of centralizing validation logic in Laravel application, and how does this contribute to the maintainability of a web application? Centralizing validation logic in Laravel improves maintainability by keeping all validation rules in one place, making the code easier to read, update, and rules while ensuring consistent data validation across the entire application. Assessment 2. What is the role of middleware in Laravel authentication system, and how does it help protect routes and resources from unauthorized access? Role of middleware in authentication. Middleware acts like a security gatekeeper. It checks a user and log in before letting them access certain routes. Example. How does Laravel's built-in authentication system handling user recreation and login include the management of season tokens and validation of input data? How Laravel handles registration and login? How Laravel's auth system validate user input, shares password securely using hashing, and manages season tokens automatically after login. Example, when a user logs in via login, Laravel creates a season token to remember them until they log in. 3. Example, the importance of security measures like SQL injection, prevention, and XSS protection in login registration form. How does Laravel assist in preventing these vulnerabilities? Importance of security measures. Security measures stop hackers in injecting code or stealing info. Laravel automatically escapes HTML to prevent XSS and uses prevent statement to stop SQL in example. How will you create and apply custom middleware in Laravel to restrict access to specific routes based on user rules, such as an admin-only route? Create a custom middleware route-based access. You can create a middleware to limit access. For example, allow the admin's example. 5. In terms of scalability, how can Laravel's authentication system be adapted to handling a growing number of user and requests give example like season management or token-based authentication, scalability and handling many users. As user grow, Laravel can use token-based authentication like Laravel, not or release for session storage to scale. Recently, example, use FP tokens for mobile apps or large system. Assessment 3. What are the key steps involved in implementing the create operation in Laravel and how to blade use and form? Handling play a role in this process. Laravel uses a blade view to display the creation form in the controller receives and process the data from the prompt to save it to the database. Explain the importance of data validation and sanitization in CRUD operation. How does Laravel ensure security when handling user input during this operation? Data validation and sanitization validation keep data clean and safe, while validation removes harmful code. Laravel uses request validate to check input the prevent SQL injection automatically protects the app from the hacker and bad data. 3. Describe how you would implement the read operation in Laravel to retrieve and display data from the database using both a controller method in the blade view. Operation in R and CRUD use fetch and show data controller. What is the purpose of update operation in Laravel and how would you handle from submission to modify existing data enters in the database? The update operation in Laravel allows user to modify existing record by submitting a form that sends the update data to the controller, which then saves the change to the database. How can you ensure the number 5? How can you ensure that the delete operation in Laravel insecure and prevent accidental authorized data removal? What role would validation play this process? To ensure the delete operation in Laravel insecure and prevent accidental data removal, you should use CSRF protection, moderation checks, and confirm deletion action in the UI, while validation helps ensure that only legitimate and currently permitted requests are processed. Assessment 4. What is the purpose of Google reCAPTCHA and how does it enhance the security in web application when integrated with form? Google reCAPTCHA help protect web application from spam and abuse by verify that form submission are made by real user that bots, thereby enhancing security and preventing automated attack. Describe the process of automating and regarding reCAPTCHA. Site number 2. Describe it process of obtaining and regarding reCAPTCHA. Cite and secret keys for Google. Why is the important to update to domain when remove domain when moving from locals to product environment? Get a reCAPTCHA key. You get your site key and secret key, the Google reCAPTCHA admin. When moving from localhost to live site, update the domain. Otherwise, reCAPTCHA would work online. Key must match your actual website. How would you integrate reCAPTCHA into a Laravel form? Outline the step from installing the necessary package to adding the reCAPTCHA field in the form. Explain how do validation reCAPTCHA responses is Laravel. What role will do the reCAPTCHA. Secret keys play in the validation process. In the Laravel reCAPTCHA, response are validated by sending the user's token to Google along with your secret key, which plays a critical role by authenticating your server to ensure the request is invalid coming from a trusted source. 5. How can customize error messages for field reCAPTCHA attempt improve user experience? Provide an example how you would handling reCAPTCHA errors in a Laravel controller. Customize error messaging. Friendly error messages make user feel guided, not scolded. Example. Thank you, sir.